Hey guys, all right. Quick question somebody had for me. How do you deposit using Instacoin? It's very simple. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click deposit. Um, if you're verified, it's gonna give you the option right there. But basically, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put USD, Bitcoin. You're gonna choose the amount that you're gonna deposit. It's gonna redirect you to a Bitcoin address. Now, this is your wallet. This is directly connected to your KOT4X account. All right. What you're going to do is you're going to copy this wallet address. Then you're going to go to your Instacoins, right? You're going to put $200, pay with debit or credit. You're going to insert your wallet number, boom. And then you're going to click pay now. All right. Once you click pay now, most likely what's going to end up happening is, as you can see here, card number, expiration date, so on and so forth. Then you pay securely, boom. And then after that, your funds will be showing on your KOT account. All right. It'll show here as approved, active. All right. And then you'll be able to go ahead and add that to any account that you create here. Deposit funds to your vault before creating an account. So there you have it. All right, guys, that should be it. All right. If you have any questions, drop it down in the comments below. Later.